wait, it's not working.
It bent a little at the beginning. From the bottom.
Well, I'm doing a video that this hair comb is gonna make the water bend because of static electricity, and so yeah, I have to like comb my hair really fast so it does that. Okay, so let's try again. It's working. It worked kinda at first. It's not noticeable in the video. I'm gonna do it again.
You wasting water.
Yep, I am. Oh my god, this is stupid. Why isn't it working? It's supposed to work. Whoa! Whoa, it's working, it's working. See, it bent. Yeah, it bent. Isn't that cool?
You have to like, see the bottom pretty much.
Just hit the water. Now it stopped working, okay.
So I only